Today, we'll be learning about short vowels. These are also called vowel sounds. A, e, I, a. Learning these vowel sounds will help you decode lots of words. Let's take a look at some examples. A says a as in sad. E says e as in bed. I says I as in big. O says aw as in dog. U says as in bus. Let's see some more examples for A, which makes the sound a. Cat, bag, sad. Mad, bad, glad. Map, hat, man. Now let's see some examples of short E, which says red, fed, sped. Hen, den, end. Let, bet, set. Now for I, which says I, pin, bin, sit. Lip, big, dig. Hip, win, grin. And now O, which says aw, hot, mop, got. Hop, not, top. Stop, rock, job. Now for U, which says mud, gut, trust. Sun, gum, plug. Bug, rug, nut. Here's a short phrase that will help you remember what sounds these vowels say. Cats, let pig on up. So in this image, the cats are napping on the stairs, and the pig wants to go up the stairs. So you tell the cats, cats, let pig on up. 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 Now let's try just the vowel sounds, not the consonants. A, e, I, a. And again. A, e, I, a. Now, let's go a little bit faster. A, e, I, a. One more time. A, e, I, a. Thank you so much for tuning in for this video. I hope you learned something today about vowel sounds. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for learning with me.